It is lovely to be able to speak with you all today, albeit in a virtual capacity. I welcome the opportunity to introduce myself as the Minister of State with responsibility for public health, well-being and the National Drug Strategy. And I am also a TD for the Sligo, Leitrim, North Roscommon and South Donegal constituency. Can I say by saying a big thank you to Cathaoirleach Dara Mulvey for your kind invitation to provide the introduction for this series launched today, and passing on the good wishes of my colleague Minister Heather Humphreys. When I was asked to speak at this launch last week, I had no hesitation in accepting, as I wanted to offer my full appreciation as a local government minister for the programme and the outcomes it seeks to achieve in our community. As a Minister for State, I firmly believe that sensibility will make a positive impact on people's lives in our community. Sensibility is an exciting new service which addresses the needs of neurodiverse people within the community, including those on the autism spectrum, those with developmental coordination, disorder, dyspraxia, attention deficit disorder, dyslexia, and others with additional needs. This cohort of individuals can often feel precluded from accessing libraries due to the sensory overload and anxiety they face in new places. This programme aims to address this issue by offering positive library experiences for people with sensory or additional educational needs. It strives to develop sensory-friendly, accessible library services for the people of Leitrim, Sligo and Roscommon. The programme will provide a sense of belonging, a sense of space, a sense of welcome, and a sense of support to individuals of all abilities, their families and caregivers. It will break down the invisible barriers that many of us do not see, and it allows increased opportunities to enjoy reading and learning. This is what makes the programme so special. Through consultation with relevant professionals, extensive staff training, a programme of events, and the development of new and exciting spaces and services, Sensibility gives everyone the ability to use library services in an inclusive, safe, non-judgmental way. The COVID-19 pandemic has created a time of great uncertainty and anxiety for everyone, and particularly those with additional needs. The restructuring of services, social distancing measures, and self-isolation has been particularly difficult on people with increased needs and for those who are trying to provide services such as your own. Can I also say that I am aware and appreciate that you've all had to adapt new ways of working together to continue to support people during the current pandemic, and I am encouraged and impressed by both your resourcefulness and innovative methods. Programmes such as Sensibility will help to overcome these additional difficulties we all face together. To conclude, I would like to commend you all on the hard work that has gone into the delivery of this series during this difficult pandemic. I wish you the very best of luck with this series implementation throughout the year, and I want to thank you all on behalf of the Government for helping make our libraries and learning spaces in Sligo, Leitrim and Roscommon more accessible places for all. Thank you.
On behalf of the Sensibility Project, I wish to thank Minister Frank Feehan for launching this initiative and to introduce my fellow Cathaoirleach, Councillor Mary Bohan, Leitrim County Council, and Councillor Lawrence Fallon, Roscommon County Council, along with the occupational therapist for the Sensibility Project, Dr. Dorothy Armstrong. As the lead local authority for Sensibility, the library-based sensory project, I welcome you all here today. Sensibility is jointly funded by Minister Heather Humphreys' department under the Dormant Account Fund and also by the three local authorities. We are delighted to provide this sensory service to those wide-ranging communities who require sensory services throughout our library network, and also to listening to their views and recognising their needs and aspirations.
Leitrim Library Service is one of the most visible ways Leitrim County Council engages with individuals and communities. As Cathaoirleach of Leitrim County Council, I am delighted to welcome this innovative service, which will make such a difference for neurodiverse individuals, their families and carers. The Sensibility Service demonstrates clearly the Library's commitment to inclusion and in particular the aim to support those who experience sensory or sensory-related issues. I'm personally delighted to see the focus libraries here in County Leitrim are placing on the sensory needs of its users and in particular in the area of neurodiversity. It is an important step in opening up our libraries even more to ensure that the libraries remain relevant and accessible to everyone.
As Cathaoirleach Roscommon County Council, I'm delighted to join for the launch of this new and innovative library service, Sensibility. Libraries are very important to the people of Roscommon, and it is fantastic to see the continued development of the new library services for the community. I welcome the new Sensibility service and commend the work of Roscommon Libraries are doing in reaching out and supporting those who need it most. Roscommon Library Services deliver much more than books. They also offer access to technology, literacy services, events and training. I am confident that this service, delivered in collaboration with the Library Services of Sligo and Leitrim, will be of great benefit to the people across the county and the region.
I'm Dorothy Armstrong and I'm the occupational therapist working in collaboration with the branch libraries in Leitrim, Sligo and Roscommon on this innovative sensibility project. I'm very excited to be part of this. There's going to be a collection of toys and tools that can be borrowed just like a book from these libraries for children with additional needs. Their parents and the schools they attend will be able to borrow this and it's going to be incredibly useful. We also have some webinars coming up on educational issues that will be really useful to this community. And best of all, we hope that this project is not just for this year, but will keep going into the future.